right, here we are at Old Stone Fort State Park. We're gonna take you on a fall walk here in Tennessee. And we're gonna start right here at this old bridge. It used to be, let's turn you around. It used to be the access point, the drive across the bridge to get to the campground. The bridge crosses the Big Duck River, and now it is just foot traffic only. There is a separate entrance for the campground. Maybe we'll do another video and cover that one.
The great thing about this bridge being condemned to traffic is that now that it's a footbridge, you can really enjoy it a whole lot more, I believe.
All right, let's see if we can get a little closer to Blue Hole Falls.
Yep.
Where are we going?
We are gonna get closer to Blue Hole Falls.
And it's a challenge, getting down to the bottom.
Beautiful Tennessee day. Ooh, we're almost to what is it?
Big Falls.
Big Falls. Sorry, I'm getting Rock Island confused. But Big Falls is just right up ahead.
I don't know who said it, but it's absolutely the truth. It is impossible to be out in nature and be in a bad mood.
Right.
I would encourage everybody to get out in nature more and test that theory,
Yeah.
see if it really works.
It's good for your soul. Final waterfall here at Old Stone Fort, y'all. Step Falls. Watch your step. Okay. Can we get down there? I'm gonna watch him go down first. it, so I can do it too, right?
Yep. I'll catch you. I'll catch you if you fall.
Yay!